I believe this event stands out because everything that we are being showed how to do, we're being broken down the specific reasons why. Everything has a practical application that we can actually use in the moment that makes it stick. When we're learning something, it's very important to be able to apply it as quickly as possible rather than just be given the theory of it. And I think this event is highly interactive and impactful because of that. I would say jump in, because every day that you are wasting trying to improve your communication skills on your own, you're literally leaving money on the table. Time is the most valuable asset that we just don't get back. Nothing beats actually working with people who have spent years of their lives learning these skills so that you can have it served in a silver platter directly, the information that will help you grow at a much faster pace. And if you're someone who values your time, then this is a no-brainer decision. I don't think it's possible to give a dollar amount, to be honest, because if you look at how important it is to go back in time and be able to learn these skills sooner, how much would we pay for that? There's a 17-year-old here participating in this event. I'm in awe, because if I would have been able to learn all those things, I would give anything to be able to have that at that time in my life. It's impossible to give a dollar amount. It's priceless.